Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix drive is not accessible and access denied error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the drive you have problem with and select properties. Select security tab and select advanced option. Select change. Select advanced. Select find now. In this list you just need to select your username guys. If you don't know your username, then you just need to select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username, in my case AJMP. After knowing that, go back and you just need to select your username guys over here, and then select click on OK. Click on OK. Now you just need to select add. Select a principal option and now select advanced. Select find now. Select your username and select OK. Select OK. Now you just need to check mark this full control and then click on OK. Replace all child objects permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. You just need to check mark it. Now select apply. Select yes. Select continue. Select continue, 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 continue. Select OK and select OK again, and now select OK, and now you can open the drive without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.